Well, here in the auto collision, where we do paint and body, we work on vehicles, cars, trucks. Basically, if the car's in a collision, an accident, we just get the vehicle in here, we take it apart and do the repair. Once you start picking up, like when you start learning more and more, you have more experience and you could probably make money on the side at home or bring like a neighbor's vehicle in or like someone else's, like another student, so you could probably help them. I like to just help out each other. We're like a family here. You know, someone needs help, I go, they call me, hey Adam, come here. Oh yeah, I'm on the way. I go help out. It's fun to get your hands dirty. And you learn more and more as you do more body work here. My teacher, Mr. Juan Urrutia, he helped me a lot. Like if I was his own kid, he came out here, helped me, taught me how to sand, how to lay the body filler, how to primer, how to paint. He was right there by my side, helping me, showing me step by step. You know, I want to thank him for always being there for me and showing me how to do what I do now. My name is Adam. We are here in the collision course at Southwest Legacy. We are Southwest.